One AirPod charging while the other stays dead is a common AirPods problem. The good thing is most of the fixes are simple and can be done at home. In this video, I will show you why your AirPods are not charging and the exact steps you can use to fix the issue. Let's start by checking the charging case, because if the case isn't working, the AirPods won't charge. Open the case near your phone and see if your phone detects the AirPods. Then, look at the LED light on the case. If the light turns on, the case has power. If there is no light and your phone doesn't detect the case battery may be dead, or the case itself may be faulty. The AirPods charge from the case, so the case must be charged first. Now check the charging port on the case. Dirt, lint, or debris inside the port can block charging. When the port is blocked, the case won't charge, and that stops both AirPods from charging as well. Look inside the port. Clean it using a simple and safe method, then plug the cable back in and check if the case starts charging. Next, make sure the AirPods are sitting properly inside the case. If an AirPod is not seated correctly, it won't connect to the charging pins. This can cause one AirPod to stay at a low battery while the other charges normally. Take both AirPods out, place them back in carefully, close the lid, and open it again to confirm they are charging. After that, check the charging contacts on the AirPods and inside the case. These are the small gold contacts that allow charging. Dirt or earwax on these contacts can stop charging. Sometimes it's light dirt, and sometimes it looks darker because of corrosion. Gently cleaning these contacts at home can help restore proper charging. If one AirPod charges to 100% while the other stays very low, even after charging overnight, this usually means there is a connection issue. Dirty contacts or a weak connection inside the case can cause this problem, even when it looks like both AirPods are charging. Another thing to check is the charging cable and power adapter. Third-party or fake cables can cause unstable charging. Using the original Apple cable is important, and the same goes for the power adapter. Switch to the original cable and adapter, fully charge the case, and see if the issue is fixed. If your AirPods case supports wireless charging, try that as well. Wireless charging helps confirm whether the problem is with the cable or the charging port. If wireless charging works but cable charging doesn't, the issue is related to the cable or port. Sometimes the issue is caused by software. A reset can fix charging problems caused by connection glitches. Put the AirPods in the case, open the lid, then press and hold the setup button on the back for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber and then white. After that, reconnect the AirPods and check charging. Also restart the device you use with your AirPods. Phone or tablet software issues can affect charging. Restarting the device refreshes the system and can help fix the problem. Finally, check the AirPods firmware version. Outdated firmware can cause charging issues. With the AirPods connected, go to Bluetooth settings, tap on your AirPods, and check the firmware version. Keeping the firmware updated helps prevent charging problems. That's it for this video on why your AirPods are not charging and how to fix it. I hope these steps help you get both your AirPods charging properly again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and helpful tech fixes. If one of these steps worked for you or you're still facing an issue, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.